Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a file to a task within Microsoft To Do on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now navigate to Office 365. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to Do, click on this. Wait for that to load. Now go to Videos, which is a list that has been created. In order to see that, go to the last tutorial that I created, which is available at the end of this video. Now let's add a task. So how to create a logo is what I may want to do in the near future. Click on this task itself, add a file. Let's go to Documents, My YouTube channel, YouTube icon, upload, and there you go. The image has now been added to the task itself. If we click on File Attached, this should open up. On screen, there you go. So we can now go back to to-do list and then move on to the next stage when it comes to utilizing the application. So close Safari, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.